Hello, everyone. Sorry, no makeup today. I'm going to be talking about the protractor. According to the website I looked up, protractor is any of a group of instruments used to construct and measure planes angles. The simplest protractor comprises a semicircle disc graduating degrees from 0 to 180. It is an ancient device that was already in use during the 13th century. At that time, European instrument makers constructed an astronomical observing device called the Troquantum that was equipped with a semicircle protractor. A more complex form of protractor, designed for plotting the positions of a ship or on the navigation charts, was invented in 1801 by Joseph Hardant, a U.S. Navy captain. This instrument, called a three-arm protractor or station pointer, is comprised of a circular scale. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of your week.